Demystifying, Fabricate. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of English phrases and words. The word we're going to unpack today is fabricate. It's not just about making fabric or textiles. There's more to it than meets the eye. When we first hear the term fabricate, some of us might imagine someone sewing or creating something with fabric. And while that isn't entirely off the mark, fabricate in English has a broader meaning. Fabricate primarily means to create or construct something. This can be tangible, like building a piece of furniture, or intangible, like creating a story or an alibi. For example, the carpenter fabricated a beautiful wooden chair. She fabricated an excuse to avoid the meeting. Another common use of fabricate is when someone is accused of making up something that isn't true. In other words, it can mean to concoct or lie about something. For example, the witness was accused of fabricating his testimony. He fabricated the entire story to get out of trouble. This is an important nuance to understand because, in certain contexts, accusing someone of fabricating something can be a serious allegation. Let's see some more examples to better understand the use of the word fabricate. 1. Engineers often fabricate prototypes before the final product is made. 2. You shouldn't fabricate reasons just to avoid responsibilities. 3. The journalist denied allegations that she fabricated her sources. We've now unveiled the layers behind the word fabricate. Whether it's about crafting something with hands or spinning a web of tales, fabricate is a versatile word in the English language. We hope this video has enriched your vocabulary and understanding. Keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, words are the fabric of our communication.